Hello everyone, this is Professor Gibson. Welcome to Math 154. This is my little intro video just to kind of go over the way the course is laid out. The screen you see here is the home page in Canvas, okay? So the basic idea is you just log into Canvas, it'll bring you right here, and then select this course, Math 154 NO3A, you see up here. It'll bring you to here. So what you see first is this Getting Started module. I recommend you go through and look at this stuff. It's mostly just information that will be useful to you at different points. Some faculty information about me, how to navigate the course. This is a little discussion board. I'd appreciate if you'd all do that. Just click on that. Write something not too long that will introduce yourself to the class. So once you get that part done, if you click on this little arrow here, it'll hide the Getting Started. Now, what you see, these 6 modules, these are our course, and 2 of them really, the 2.5 and the 3.5, you see they're about projects. Really, each one of those is just some more information about our 2 projects. So the modules that really contain the work are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we click on the arrow here for Unit 1. You can see we've got several items in here. So what happens is this, you'll notice, see, these 2 are inset, and then this one, these 2 are indented a little bit, and this one's out to the edge. The ones that are out to the edge are the graded assignments. And actually, you'll see the icon for the ones that are graded have a little pencil on them. I see that icon does not. So the pencil means it's graded. All right, here's your graded assignment. So 2 homework assignments, and then the first quiz. This is what to do the first week, by the way. All right, so you click on them. When you're ready to do it, you can just click on a homework assignment. Now, before we do that, these other items, all they have content and information. They'll have, like if we click on this one, problem solving percents, there are some notes, okay, there's a lecture video, there are, this is really just where your content is, okay. I recommend that you watch each of the lecture videos. I actually made most of them, all right. So then we can go back to, actually, if you pick modules, it takes you right back where we were, or home, either one. Now, when you've got the content done for the unit section on percents, right? See, the content for percents is here. The content for percent change is here, right? See, it's organized pretty cleanly. The indented is where the material or the content is, and then the one above it is where you do the homework. The way the homework works, you can answer each question as many times as you need to get it right. After 3 attempts, if you get it wrong 3 times, you click a link asking for another question, and it'll give you pretty much the same question over again, but it'll change the numbers. So you have as many tries as you need to. If you just get stuck on one, you don't know what's going wrong, you can send me an email about it. I'll be glad to help. All right. So that's kind of the basic layout. You can see as you scroll through Unit 1, right? Unit 1 homework, and then the first quiz, right? And then the second, third quiz, and then you get down to the end, it's test 1. Okay? And then all the modules are laid out the same way. All right. So let's talk a little bit more about what's in each module. So this is the course calendar. I'm going to send this out to everybody by email. It's also at the end of the syllabus, okay? So you can see you have a due date each week. They go up by weeks mostly. So the first week, you've got modules 1 and 2, percent and percent change, and then the first quiz, okay? Just follows that pattern. When you see a blue here, this is a test, and the tests are due on Wednesdays. So you'll finish we'll finish the new material in the module by the 15th, and then we have a week of review, and this 22nd, which is a Sunday, there's a review assignment, and then Wednesday the test is due. Okay, and then you just follow that same pattern every time. The blue is the test, and you'll notice they're all on Wednesdays, right up through the end, okay? And so this list also, right here, we list all of our assignments. So homework, quiz, test, there's a few extras. You see here 3 times we have discussion boards. They're also listed in Canvas, and you click on them to do the discussion board. So you see that we have a discussion here at the end of modules 1, 3, and 4. There's no discussion board in module 2. All right. When you're over in Canvas, there is also where the projects are, I think. There's a class discussion. Now that's not graded. That's the projects have discussions, class discussions. Those are just where you can kind of chat back and forth with classmates about questions you have and about the projects, things you might be wondering about, whatever. Okay, so, and then we also have our 2 projects. So we've got the homework quizzes and tests. Then at the end of modules 1, 3, and 4, we have the discussion boards. And we also have 2 projects. They're both due later in the class. We'll get more information about them later. But the first one here is the Excel project. It's due October 20th here. All right after test 2. And then the dream car or another place is called the finance project is due after test 3. All right, so that's the course layout for you. If you have any questions about the way this thing is working or what you should go or do, let me know. Your homework scores should all show up in your grade book in Canvas here. And I believe that's it. I'm looking forward to a great semester. I hope you enjoy the course.